Greetings from Florida. We're working on a Hyundai Veloster. This is the driver's side. The clip's at double speed. We're going to take off that pull handle face plate. You'll see in a second. These aren't very difficult to do. Yeah, that's cracked, by the way, but the plate does come off. If you have any questions on this video, please ask right here on YouTube. I'm glad to answer them. If you need any help, want us to do this for you, and you're in Tampa Bay or Minnesota, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. You could use a magnet here too, by the way. 10 millimeter bolts there and there. And I believe I have a screw right there. Taking off the triangular side view mirror cover. I don't think there was anything on the bottom. And then once you get the panel off, you're going to unhook the cables that go to the silver handle that you pull to get out of the car. Pretty easy. And when he ordered this, he ordered the wrong one. It's okay because the only difference was it was a different motor wiring harness. So what I did was I just swapped out the motors. Unplug it right there. I'm going to bring the glass. I'm going to take off the belt molding. Makes it a little bit easier. Somebody had already played with this before. They went in and put a lot of tape over it to lock it up in place. $5 suction cup, Harbor Freight. That's where you're going to get to the two 10 millimeter bolts that hold the glass on. And then you should be able to lift the glass up and lock it in place while you take the regulator out, which comes out quite easily. Just get a few bolts in there. 1, 2, and I think those are nuts actually. And here's the new regulator. And as I mentioned, the motor harness was wrong. So what I did was I just swapped out the two motors. It's quite easy, just unscrew it and screw it in. You're either going to have a 2-wire harness or a 6-wire harness, depending on the year and the model. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like the video. That helps other people such as yourself find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'm glad to answer them for you. Now we have it. Back to the 10mm nuts. Plug it in. And one other thing you want to do every 3 or 4 months, there it is right there, a little WD-40 in the 2 channels on the side, the run channels on the side. They dry out and cause the glass to grab. If you do that, they last longer, they work better, it's all better. And we're going to put the belt molding back on. And the panel back on. So you can watch the rest of this if you'd like. There's nothing else tricky about this. The rest of it goes on quite easily. Again, if you have any questions, please ask. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a good week.